Have you ever been denied credit for something you thought you absolutely qualified for? Maybe it was a dream apartment, a new car, or even that perfect vacation. It can be frustrating and sometimes downright confusing. But what if I told you there might be hidden information lurking in the shadows, affecting your financial well-being? That information is your credit report. It's a detailed record of your borrowing history, compiled by credit bureaus like Equifax. This report paints a picture of your financial responsibility to lenders, and any negative marks on it can seriously impact your ability to secure loans or favorable interest rates. So, how do you access this all-important document? And more importantly, does checking it cost you an arm and a leg? That's where Equifax comes in, and the question we're tackling today, is Equifax free to use? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. Equifax offers a variety of services, some free, and others that come with a price tag. Let's dive deeper and explore your options. First things first, free credit reports. You are legally entitled to a free credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every year. This is a federal mandate thanks to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA. To claim your free reports, head to annualcreditreport.com, a central hub created specifically for this purpose. It's a safe and secure website, so you can rest assured your information is protected. Now, here's the catch. Annualcreditreport.com provides just one free report per bureau, annually. While valuable, it might not be enough for everyone. That's where Equifax steps in with its My Equifax account. Signing up for a free My Equifax account allows you to access your Equifax credit report and a free VantageScore credit score, a specific type of credit score, on a monthly basis. This can be a great way to stay on top of your credit health and monitor any changes. However, keep in mind that VantageScore is not the same as the credit score lenders typically use when making credit decisions. While it can be a good indicator, it might not be a perfect reflection of your creditworthiness. Equifax also offers premium services with additional features like credit monitoring and identity theft protection. These services typically involve a monthly subscription fee and can provide more in-depth analysis and alerts for potential threats to your credit. So, to answer our initial question, is Equifax free to use? The core functionality of accessing your credit report and a basic credit score is absolutely free. However, if you're looking for more advanced features and protection, you'll need to consider their paid plans. Here's a quick breakdown. Free, annual credit report from annualcreditreport.com, once a year. Free, My Equifax account with monthly credit report and VantageScore. Paid, premium services with credit monitoring and identity theft protection. The takeaway: Equifax offers a mix of free and paid services. The free options are a great starting point, allowing you to monitor your credit report and get a general sense of your credit health. But for those who want a more comprehensive safety net, the paid plans might be worth considering. Ultimately, the decision depends on your individual needs and comfort level. Remember, knowledge is power, and keeping an eye on your credit is crucial in today's financial landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.